Let's see how to set up welcome message for Discord server. So first of all, go to the Discord server and click the server name and open app directory. In this search app directory, type here Dino and search for it. Now open this DynoBot and click on add app. Click on visit site. And now click on this drop down and select the server in which server you want to set up welcome message. Click on authorize and ensure that you're a human. And here DynoBot has been successfully added to my Discord server. Now here you directly jump into the DynoBot dashboard. Here select a prefix. So in my case I'm selecting here this / and you can choose your time zone and just click on next and click on next and click on done, and it directly jump into the modules page of the DynoBot. In here click this search option and type here welcome, and here we can see the welcome message option. So we have to activate the welcome first of all. Once it's activated, now click on settings and now go back to your Discord server, and now we will create a new text channel. So just click this plus icon to create a new channel. Channel type select text and channel name give welcome, and then click on create channel. Now right click on the welcome channel and click on edit channel. In here select permissions and click on advanced permissions. In here you have to scroll down and search for send messages. So we have to disable send messages in this welcome channel. So just select this cross icon, then click on save changes. Now go back to the Dyno dashboard. In here you can simply reload this tab. Now message type, you can choose embed, custom image or embed in text. In my case I'm choosing here message. Now in this channel drop down we have to select here welcome channel, and now from here you can activate send welcome message in a direct message or private message option from here. And here we can see the message box. Now you can just go ahead and write here your welcome message for new users, and here we can see bunch of different variables. You can mention username using this variable, you can mention avatar using this variable. So in my case I'm just typing here welcome to this server, and I'm going to mention the account Discord account username here, and finally clicking on update. And here we can see it's successfully saved. Now let's see how it works. So I'm just sending my Discord server invite link to this Discord account. This is my another Discord account, and then I'm going to the Discord account, and here we can see the join button. So I'm just clicking on join, and let's see what happens when I join the Discord server. And here we can see I've successfully joined to the Discord server, and here we can see the automatic welcome message successfully showing. So this is how we can actually do it. Thanks for watching.